trends do you foresee in dealing with high volumes of information?
So I will come back to what I said earlier, right? The biggest trend, and I think not enough attention is being paid to this, is data is no longer a commodity, analytics is no longer a capability. Data and analytics are both a continuous journey. And what that means is people who have traditionally dealt with data will need to get very savvy about how analytics kind of applies itself to the streams of data we're getting. Same way, the analytics people who used to just touch what they were given will need to engage more actively in what I would call provisioning and readiness of analytics, right? So that's the first trend. The second trend is because of the overwhelming content, and I will say content rather than data because of the unstructured maturity we're getting with that data type. Curation, integration, storytelling is going to become extremely important, just like you mentioned. And I think the quality of insights is going to be more important than the quantity of finding, right? So it's going to be very important for analytics professionals to really start delivering quality insights, not just a number of discrete things that kind of stay disconnected, because it's getting impossible to for the organization to wrestle with too many things, right? The third thing I would tell you is, augmented decisions are going to become very, very important. And augmented decisions really is where AI comes in, right? Is it is no longer going to be even possible for us, with all of the overwhelming amounts of information and the very diverse nature of data we wrestle with, to either formulate the business problem without some help, or come back with an answer deeply confident without some help, right? And this is where augmented analytics is going to evolve. It is already evolving with integrated co-pilots, and where generative AI will go in. Query exploration and those tools are all really, really going to stick, because being able to understand the context of an original query and being able to generate other queries that may be pertinent to it are going to be humongously helpful to somebody who's practicing analytics, and help augment that mindset of the original question, right? So those would be, I would tell you, the three trends that I
Yeah,
think are going to be very, very important in the journey forward.
yeah, cool. I think I like your point too. I do seem like just seem like it's getting more specialised, like especially like domain, or especially in your area because you've got different regulations, etc. But it does seem like data science is getting. You need to be more like domain focused to get obviously understand the data more, because it's getting more. Obviously, it was quite technical, wasn't it, before? But I have to say, data science, it's getting more product alignment. So it's you've got that domain expertise. That's where you're going to excel, because you're going to be able to, I guess, provide the insights.
Correct. Right? You've got to be in the journey to win the journey, right? And you can't be relying on products getting to you without really understanding the quality of the product getting to you. So what goes in and what comes out are related, right? As we all know. And yes, so it's going to become a dynamic journey, continuous, very quickly updating, and inference on the go. I know that's a phrase, but when you think about it, it has tremendous ramifications for how you apply analytics to inform insights and deliver impact. And it's a very exciting journey. I'm thrilled that it's here. I think we've been waiting a long time for it to get here, but it's here, and we might
Yeah,
as well enjoy it.
yeah, lots more interesting times ahead,
Yeah,
and a lot more challenges.
absolutely,
Probably
absolutely.
a lot more headaches as well for businesses, but obviously it'd be good things.
Yep.
Good. Brilliant. Well, really appreciate your time, Arvind. It's been a great conversation, and hopefully the audience and listeners enjoy it.
Ben, thank you so much for the opportunity. I
Thank you.
really enjoyed our discussion, and I think you know just going back in that journey and living those moments is thrilling, and I thank you for the opportunity to be able to talk with you, and I look forward to meeting you in person sometime.
Yeah, definitely. When I'm next to the US.
Great. Thank
Brilliant.
you, Ben. Yep.
Thank you again.
Cheers.